Zdravstvuyte. Hello. Ja, Ruth. I'm Ruth. I've prepared a dialogue for you to prepare, for you to practice, for maybe to exchange with people who are learning Ukrainskую. I speak Angliskую, so the dialogue is really simple and it goes like this. It starts with hello, I'm Ruth. Zdravstvuyte, ja, Ruth. So you can introduce yourself. Next, sorry, what's your name? Wybaczcie, jak was звати? And then it'll be ja, Tom, ja, Harry, whatever it might be. Okay, so please come in. Будь ласка, приходьте. And then I thought, it's a really short thing, just to present a little bit of vocabulary to each other. So choose a word or two that you're going to teach the other people that you're talking to. I thought we could do, this is our cat, this is our dog, this is our kettle. So this is our cat, це наш кіт. This is our dog, це наш пес. To keep things in українською, say that again. So this is another thing you have to learn. Say that again. Скажи це ще раз. Show me the thing. Of course, it can be a picture or it can be a real thing. So show me the thing. Покажи мені річ. And then show me the word. Покажи мені слово. Now the thing with that, if you look up something on Google Translate 2 times, you might get 2 different answers. So if you want to present slovo, a word, make sure you screenshot it or write it down so that you can present the same thing 2 times. Це наш чайник. I thought a way of the other person in the dialogue confirming that they know is to say, that is your kettle, or that is your cat, that is your dog. So that is your kettle. To wasz czajnik. So nasz is ours and wasz is yours. To wasz czajnik. Tak, prawilno. And thank you. Dziękuję. And that's it. I'll put a PDF of this idea in the description so that you can then learn it, and we can meet on Facebook on Ukrainian Duolingo, or get in contact with other people who are trying to learn Ukrainskую. Dziękuję. Pa pa.